In today's video, we'll talk about how to highlight text in Google Docs. Highlighting is a simple but powerful tool that makes your important words, phrases, or sections stand out. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Then, open the document where you'd like to add highlights. Next, navigate to the word or group of words you want to highlight. Use your cursor to select the text. Once it's highlighted, look at the top toolbar and find the pen-shaped icon. This is the highlight tool. Click the pen icon to open the color menu. Now, choose a highlight color based on your preference. You'll instantly see your selected text stand out with the color you applied. If you'd like to change the highlight color, simply reselect the text, click the pen icon again, and pick a different color. And if you want to remove the highlight, just go back to the color menu and choose none. That's it. You've successfully highlighted text in Google Docs. This tool is especially helpful for study notes, editing drafts, or making important details pop in your documents. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips.